Hi, this is John from Chicago. Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a review of the Leader 120 from Full Speed. Weighs a little less than 70 grams without a battery. It has a 3mm bottom plate. It has 1104 by 7500 kV motors. It has 70mm propellers, which is 2.8 inches. The flight control board is an F3 with OSD and D-Shot. It has a 20 amp 4-in-1 ESC, that's a 20 amp max, running D-Shot. It also has a buzzer. Comes with a battery. It's a 2S 500 milliamp 35C battery, or 30C battery, which isn't the best. It gives about 5 minutes of flight time though. It also has a 25 milliwatt 48 channel VTX, and the camera is a 600 TVL with CMOS. Too bad it's not a CCD. It's a fantastic quad. It flies really good. It'll fly both on 2S and 3S, although if you do fly it on 3S, I do recommend using some smaller, instead of the 2.8 inch propellers, going down to a Gemfan 2.5 inch propeller, because it's a little bit overpropped. I will do some flights and I'll show both 2S and 3S with it.
Wow. Let's give it a punch.
I set up a 0.16 mile test track, and the first 2 laps I was flying 3S with an average speed of 41 miles per hour. The remainder of the laps I was flying 2S with a GNB battery, which was better than the stock 2S battery that came with the quad. My average speed was 38 miles per hour. The Leader 120 is not one of the fastest micros out there, but it is respectable. It is definitely a good flyer and fun to fly. After they solved the flips of death problems, most of the reviewers have given the Leader 120 high praises, called it a good flyer at a low cost. The list price of the quad is $132, and it is often on flash sales for around $90, and I have seen it at as low as $80. I have listed the links below to where you could buy the quad. It is a plug-and-play version, so you need to supply and install your own receiver. If you can find the Leader 120 on a good sale, I do recommend that you pick one up. I do wish they would have used one of the new micro CCD cameras and increased the wattage from 25 milliwatts to 200 milliwatts for the VTX, but otherwise it's a good quad. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave those below.